Alright guys, sorry for the confusion before with the previous video. We needed to have a dice roll of 3 of 8 or higher when we have this many entries, and we're over 200 on this one. So that's why we're rerunning here. So I apologize to those that thought they won. Nothing personal. We have to run the video the right way, so this is why we're redoing it. We'll check the time. It's January 10th at 10:22 p.m. We'll go over to the raffle and type live. And we have January 10th at 10:22 p.m. I've already got the list in here of 209 entries. We had Chad on the bottom. Let's take a quick peek through here so you guys can see that this is all the correct list. With Kenneth on top, 209 entries, January 10th at 10:22 p.m. We're going to roll 3 dice. Has to be 8 or higher. And there is 8. All right, so 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last and final. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Danny's on top, and I'm not sure where all the other numbers were of who won what, but there's the final list. You guys can check that in the notification part. In the not in the notification part, in the verification code part, you can see what spots won what. So January 10th at 10:23, we're all set. That's it. Thanks.